Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to solve the problems. We have completed stage 1 of learning Go. Now we are going to solve few problems using Go. We want to print current date and time. We want to print square root of any number. We want to print a random number. We want to calculate area of a circle. Let us jump on VS Code. I have created a file problem.go. So if you will see package main import fmt. I have written function main, and within the main function I have written the problem statement. One very important thing, if you will see commenting in Go, similar to C. For single line comment we can write like this, for multi-line comment we can write like this. Now we will take the problems and solve them. First problem is print the current date and time. So we will write a function which will print current date and time. What is second problem? Print square root of any number. So we will write a function which will print the square root of any number. Third, we want to print a random number between 1 to 100. So we will write a function for random number printing. Fourth, we want to calculate the area of a circle. So we will write for printing the area of a circle. Now we will write the logic. So for printing current date and time, what should be the logic? For printing current date and time, what should be the logic? It would be very difficult. For printing square root, what would be the logic? It would be very difficult. For printing random number, what would be the logic? It would be very difficult. For printing area of circle, we can write the logic. Pi multiply by radius. Suppose radius is 10, then this would be the area of circle. What about what about these date and time, square root and random number? So we can take help of Go package. There are inbuilt Go package which can help you in solving these problems. So for time, there is a package named time. We can use time package, and we can write here fmt.println current date and time. For printing square root of any number, we can use math package. So we can import here math package. Math package has a function math.sqrt. Square root of any number. For printing random number, there is a package mathran. So we can import that package. Mathran. and it has a function int_n. So we can use random number and 100. For calculating area of circle, we can use this line. Now we can remove all the functions. So if you will see, with the help of Go package, we can solve the problem. If you want more precision in circle area, we can use math.py. So if you will see, we are getting compilation error because if we want to use anything outside of package, it should start with capital letters. So math.sqrt and int_n. Control S for saving the program. Now we can run problem.go. Run problem.go. Now we will get expected output. So if you will see the output, current date and time, square root of number, random number, and area of circle. So how to solve the problem? Instead of writing our own code, first we need to check if there is any inbuilt Go package to solve our problems. Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.